Good morning, kids. Welcome back to the class of computers. I, Miss Pooja Jeswani, is going to take your computer classes. So today we'll start a new chapter, that is computer keyboard. So what is computer keyboard? You very well know what the keyboard is. Without it, computer doesn't works. We cannot even imagine a computer without keyboard because it's an important part of it. It's an important part of it. So what is keyboard? A keyboard is an input device that contains the keys user press to enter a data and instruction into a computer. The keyboard which we use by us are also known as a Query keyboard. This is the layout of our keyboard. You might have seen while using the computers. Well, there are so many types of keys, but we'll see some important of them. Can you see this, kids? Which keys are this? Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on a computer keyboard. These keys are marked with the letter A to Z. Well, have you observed, kids, on the keyboard, our keys are not in the form of A to Z the way we learn. They are in the query form. See, in the first line, it is written QWERTY. That's why this keyboard is also known as a query keyboard. The alphabet keys are used to type different words on a computer screen. You can type both capital and small letters using the alphabet keys. The alphabet keys have been colored in a green. See, I have colored them in a green. Well, next is number keys. Okay, some keys have a number from 0 to 9 written on them. These keys are called as the number keys. The number keys have been colored here. A keyboard has two sets of number keys. The first set of number keys is present above the alphabet key, and the second set key is present on the right side of the keyboard. This is the numeric keypad. Okay, this is also known as a numeric keypad. Now, kids, can you see their numlock key? If the numlock key is on, then only this numlock keyboard work. Otherwise, not. See, on the up you can see indication is also there on our keyboard given for the numlock key. Okay. Now the next is arrow keys, or in computer language we call them cursor control keys. These keys are used to move up, down, left and right. You can also call them a direction keys. These keys are mostly used while playing the games, and to move your cursor here and there. Well, next is function keys. The keys marked with the letter from F1 to F12 at the top of the keyboard are called as the function keys. But here I have shown you up till 8, but on your keyboard you will see the keys are up till F12. For example, and these function keys are used for performing some specific function as well. Okay, for example, the F1 is the help key. F1 is the help key. The help screen opens in most software when this key is pressed. Well, kids, there are some special keys also on our keyboard. We'll see one by one. Backspace key. Well, the backspace key erases any character that is present to the left of the cursor. I'll show you one example. Well, kids, can you see here? We have written by mistaken in the keyboard spelling F. Okay, now my cursor is after F. As I press the backspace key, the F will get erased. See, I have pressed here backspace key so that F got erased and we got the keyboard proper spelling. So in this way, backspace key is used to erase the left side, the character which is there on the left side of the cursor. The next key, delete key. Delete key erases any character that is present on the right side of the cursor, that is present at the right side of the cursor. For example, you wanted to type the word flower. Okay, I'll show you. Well, see kids, I want to type here spelling of flower. That is FLOWER. By mistaken, I have typed here G. So as I will press the delete key, the G will get erased. Why? Because delete key erases the character which is there on the right side. So this will be the output. Okay. Well, the longest key on the keyboard is known as the spacebar key. It is used to put a blank space between two letters or a number. We all know. We'll see one example of a spacebar key. Any example. Suppose if you want to type, I love computer. So how we type? Here, after typing I have to press space, then love, and then again space, and then computers. So in this way, you can give a space. So spacebar key is used to give the space between two letters or two words. Okay. Next is enter key. Well, enter key is used to start a new line. A keyboard has a two enter keys. Enter key can be of a different shapes. Okay. Now, as you know, enter key is used to go on the new line. Well, kids, see, as I want to type here, I love a computer. So I have typed that first line. After the full stop, my cursor is there. As I press enter, see it comes on the new line. See it comes here on the new line. And then I continue typed. So in this way, our enter key is very useful. Well, the remaining keys we'll see in the next class. Thank you.